Hi there, students. Accismus. Accismus. Okay, this is a noun. It's an uncountable noun. This is, well, I suppose this is part of rhetoric. This is pretending to be disinterested, not to be interested in something, while you actually really, really, really want it. Yeah, so Accismus, this is refusing something that you really, really, really want. Yeah, it's pretending to not care, that this is not important to you. Okay, so I can't accept a gift like that. It's just so generous of you. Yeah, I can't accept something like this. Okay, so it's like false modesty. If you know the story of the fox and the grapes, there's a fox and he sees some grapes that are high up and he jumps and he jumps and he jumps, but he just can't get them. He just can't reach. So finally he says, well, I'm sure they're sour. I don't want them anyway. This is Accismus, yeah? This is pretending that you don't want something. This is feigning that you're not interested in it, when in fact this is something that you really, 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 really want. You really desire it with all your heart. Okay, so Accismus, it's I suppose this is a form of irony. Yeah, this is maybe false modesty. Okay, so for example, when Oliver Cromwell, he won the British Civil War, and then he refused the crown of England to make him king. And well, clearly he'd been fighting for this for many years. I couldn't possibly accept a present like that. I'm not worthy of this honour. I couldn't possibly accept some such charity from you. I'm not worthy of these honours. Yeah. So you're using Accismus to demonstrate modesty. I'm not worthy of this. Yeah. So I think Accismus is really false modesty. Yeah, is pretending to be really modest, but in fact you're really, really happy by this. Yeah. So I feel so humbled and so flattered. You see them in the Oscars. They when they are given their Oscar, I'm sure you're going to see all sorts of Accismus. Yeah, all sorts of various versions of this. Let's see. This word Accismus comes from Accismos in ancient Greek, from Accismus in Latin. Accismos in ancient Greek means prudery. Yeah. And this is supposed to be the name of a silly old woman who was famous in Greek times, and she was always subject to this affectation. Yeah. Okay, so I think that's the idea of it. But let's see. Accismus is part of rhetoric. It's a type of irony. Yeah. Where there is a contrast between what somebody appears to be saying and what is actually the case. So in this case, in Accismus, somebody is terribly, terribly, terribly happy that they have received this prize, or they've been offered this, but they say, I couldn't accept this. This is far more important. This is far bigger than I am. And that's the idea of Accismus. As to formality, wow. I think I'm going to give this word a 7. Be careful of this word. because if you use it, you're going to have to explain it to most British speakers. Most English speakers are not going to know what this means. So this is one of these words for collectors, but it's a really good word. It's refusing something that you really, really want. Yeah, feigned refusal of something earnestly desired. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Accismus.